Hey guys, so I'm in a tourist destination called Aiya Napa in the southeast of Cyprus. This is a really popular tourist destination, and the population of Aiya Napa is 3,200 people, and that's the population of people that live here for the whole year, all year round. So a lot of tourists are here. It is really busy with tourists for most of the year, but the population is quite small in comparison with Larnaca and Paphos and Limassol and Nicosia, for example, the biggest cities in Cyprus. So today I'm going to take you for a walk around the marina and the harbour and give you a guided tour of the city. So I found this lovely yacht marina here, and there's some big yachts like the one on the left side, super yachts, and there's some really nice small fishing boats, and they're all different colours, like the ones here like white and blue. They're lovely to look at. And right now it's the winter time. It's the 19th of January in 2023. And this is just showing you what it's like here in Cyprus in the winter time. The weather's been really nice for the last 4 days. It's been sunny. It's been about 20 degrees. Today it's dropped a bit. It's about 18 degrees today. But every single day I've had sun. So I do recommend Aiya Napa and Cyprus for winter sun. The all year round population here is about 40,000 people on average, because the population does swell. You know, the seasonal workers that come here, they work in the bars and the hotels and the restaurants. So these boats, some of these boats are tourist boats where you can go out for the day. They take you out to sea fishing, deep sea fishing. And this is the harbour area here. And on the right side here, I'm just going to show you an area called Limonaki Beach, which is straight down from the city centre of Aiya Napa. And you get here to Limonaki Beach. So Limonaki Beach, I mean, it's quite nice, but it's not so nice like Nisi Beach. The best beach in Aiya Napa is called Nisi Beach. And if you find that, it's golden sands. It's one of the best beaches in Cyprus. And Nisi Beach is one of the best beaches in the whole of Europe. But this beach is just very close to my hotel. And it's very close to the city centre, so it was easy to find. So I came to this one today. Oh, we have a nice statue here in the centre as well of the square. And there's a fellow offering me a boat trip over there. There's lots of people here offering boat trips if you want a day out on the boat. I do recommend that. I do really enjoy boat trips, actually. And straight ahead here, we've got a really nice terrace. And it's for the Limonaki Beach Hotel. I think it's probably the best place to stay, really, when you're here in Aiya Napa. Especially in the winter, you can get a good price, like maybe 50 euros a night if you're lucky. They do very nice seafood. And there's a nice terrace there as well. Let's have a look at these palm trees. So this is a really nice place to sit in the winter time. It's open all year. And look at the terrace there. It's called Limonaki Restaurant. And I'll show you the menu in a second as well. Let's have a look, guys. So you can get some salmon roses for 9.5 euros or a prawn cocktail for 8 euros. You can get the chicken doner for 12 euros or the pork doner for 12 euros as well. And what else do we have here?
Oh, yes, hi.
This is our Asian menu as well.
Oh, thank you.
And the fish is about 22 euros. There's some fish and chips here for 17 euros as well. What else is that? And the grilled swordfish is 18 euros or a salmon fillet for 20 euros. So it looks nice. I'll try that one day. Straight ahead we have the marina, the harbour. So I'm going to take you down now to the harbour and show you all the boats. It's a nice place for a winter stroll. It's sunny, but the air's fresh. There's no humidity like in the summertime because, you know, you come to Cyprus here in the summertime and it's too hot. It's about 40 or 45 degrees and the humidity is so high and there's so many mosquitoes in the summertime. In the winter, it's just lovely, like right now. And what you also find is there's some very good promotions on during the winter time as well in the bars and restaurants here, so it's a bit cheaper. I just went to a cocktail bar. They had €3 for a cocktail. You can choose any cocktail on a menu for €3 until 7 at night. And in the summer, you would never get a promotion like that. The fishing boats are just absolutely lovely. The detail and everything. I really like this blue one straight ahead. I've always liked going out on the boat on a sunny day. When I go for my winter holidays, I normally take a 1-hour boat cruise. And I especially like these small yachts here. And there's a big black boat there called the Black Pearl. A big, massive boat. It looks quite nice, actually. But I prefer the small fishing boats. Here's one called Anastasia. The blue one here. So in the winter, you get a big discount on your accommodation. You can probably find a hotel room for about 30 or 40 euros a night, depending on what hotel you stay in. And you could even pick the best hotels for maybe 50 to 70 euros a night. And obviously, if you add more people to the room, you do have to pay extra money. But I mean, if you're booking a room for one, for sure, you get a room for maybe 30, 35 euros a night here. No problem in the winter time. Turn around and see this marina from a different angle. And as you can see in the background, all the buildings are white. In Aiya Napa, it's a whitewashed town. Let's have a look on the menu here. So they're offering beers. A pint of beer is €4.30 for a Kio, Kio is the local beer from Cyprus. They've got Warsteiner, Carlsberg, €4.50 for a pint of Carlsberg beer. Budweiser, €5.50. And then the cocktails here are €7.50 in this one. Some of them are €6 as well. And the restaurant's advertising fresh fish and steaks. But when you come here in the winter time, a lot of the restaurants are closed. Maybe 70% of them are closed, but you'll find plenty of places where you can eat, so don't worry. So here they're offering a boat trip in German, Russian and English. What are they offering here? So swimming stops, visiting the famous sea caves. Let me have a look now. And you can see right to the bottom of the water. Look how clear the water is, guys. The water is very clean here in Cyprus. I love how you can see to the bottom. And they're offering sport fishing here on this one. But it's only from September until October, the sport fishing. It's only seasonal. There's a Blue Lagoon boat here, going to the sea caves and Cape Greco. You can stop for photos. There's a shower. Beautiful lagoons for swimming, snorkeling equipment. And Aiya Napa here, it's very popular for diving as well. A lot of people do come here for diving and water sports. And I basically came here for some winter sun. I live in Poland. It's very cold in Poland right now, in the center and the east of Europe. And it's about 0 degrees or minus temperatures in the winter time. So there's quite a few people here in the bars and restaurants, but they're mostly like retired people really. And this time of the year, this is when all the retired people come out on holiday, just to chill out for the winter months to a warmer climate really. In Cyprus, they have a population of 1.2 million people, and it's located not far away from Greece and not far away from Turkey. The north side of Cyprus is Turkish, and the majority of Cyprus, the big part of the island, the vast majority of the island is Greek. There's a man fishing actually on the left side. Well, it's a lovely day for it. The sun shining in the sky. The sun goes in here about 5 o'clock in the evening in the winter time, so it goes in a bit earlier. There's less hours of sunshine, but you'll still get plenty of sun anyway. So guys, thank you very much for watching my guided tour today. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Travel with Col, and that's Col with a C-O-L. And please give some likes, guys, and please give some comments. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.